Guys, Immune Defense Shield for me was something that was extremely important that we launched for the root community. Understanding what we would go through as humanity as it pertains to not one virus, but multiple viruses, parasites, fungus, and bacteria, understanding the need for a NAD and quercetin, as well as magnesium and different vitamins and minerals and plants was extremely important. The NAD out there, the quercetin, very similar to the peptide environment. There were synthetics, pesticides, heavy metals, and a lot of things added. When people text me, and a lot of you guys have this weekend, for example, on peptides, and I'm not trying to get off the topic, ours are not synthetic. We are making sure we clean them from heavy metals, pesticides, environmental factors like viruses, bacteria, fungus, parasites, etc. Other companies aren't, and we're not here to talk bad about other companies. But when videos are sent to me or you guys text me about what we're doing something completely different. We have stepped into a world to take out the negative and the environmental factors that are in vitamins, minerals, plants, peptides, and everything we have. It's different what we're doing. And so you can't compare us to anyone else. Immune Defense Shield was made for people so they could protect their bodies. It's something I really thought was needed. We got so much attention because NAD and quercetin and magnesium and other vitamins and minerals are known for anti-aging and reversal of aging. And many of the patents that I've done have gotten this notification. However, this particular product is needed for what's going on, whether it's the chemtrails, the microplastics, your health, longevity. This particular product is very important. A lot of you guys know the issues that are going on throughout the world with health-related issues, even Lyme disease, microplastics, and pesticides. This particular product was made to be bioavailable, efficacious, and safe and support your body. It's the one product, you guys, if you saw my bag, it's in my bag everywhere I go because I'm on flights, I'm traveling all over, and I want the root community to understand how important this product is now and how it'll be even more important in the future. I'm going to hand this over, Duquesne, to you because I have to get on the flight. Clayton can finish this. But I will be sending a blog and information and white papers to give you guys more information on this so you can understand how this particular product is better than any injection or anything that you guys are doing. Thank you so much. I'm sorry I'm almost losing my voice, but thank you for everything you're doing. And I'm super excited that this is the product this month because right now this is needed more than ever in our world.
As zero in is gas for your brain, Immune Defense Shield and NAD is the gas for every cell in your body. So we have the mitochondria that exist in every cell are like the power. It's the powerhouse. It's the little engines that fuel every cell's function, and it's NAD that is the gas for all of those little mitochondria. So you have to understand that this is something that is being used constantly. So the approaches that are being discussed in the market, like these IVs and shots and any other marketing, NMN, which I'll hit on a little bit, but these other mechanisms that are more expensive, more invasive, and actually can be harmful don't work the way that they're supposed to. And you're only getting something for a very short period of time, which does you no good because the production of NAD, and mind you, Duquesne said make, right? And this is what's the most important part of Immune Defense Shield, is it allows the body to make more NAD. Now, as you know, my favorite word for the year happens to be endogenous, which means naturally produced. When it comes to Immune Defense Shield, this is literally the only product on the market in the universe that provides the body with the mechanism and the key precursors, right? So it's not just an NAD supplement. What Christina figured out how to do is add some of these additional precursors that go along with the NAD plus that is in Immune Defense Shield that allows the production of NADH, and it loops, right? So it's basically creating a feedback loop where as you continue to add more capsules throughout the day, or if you do it morning, afternoon, and night, and this is what Christina has found is best, especially when you're traveling the way she has and the way that we have, this allows the body to continually have the gas it needs to produce ongoing, perpetual NAD. So you're basically giving your body the fuel it needs to constantly produce more energy. And you'll get a feel for what's good for you. I take 4 in the morning and 4 at night. Christina will take 2 or 3 in the morning, 2 or 3 in the afternoon, and another 2 or 3 at night. I like to load up and then burn it and then add more later on. And we haven't talked about this specific product because it's kind of been lost in the fold. But you have people that are spending $400 or $500 an IV for something that lasts for a very short period of time, that can cause a heart attack, that doesn't get delivered to your cells. This is something that is a foundational piece to your overall function, because it's giving your body the ability to produce the energy it needs to perform the way that you would ideally want it to.